When the crochet along begins, you'll receive part 1 of the pattern with crochet gauge information near the beginning. This section will direct you on how to make this dome-shaped piece, which serves as a swatch to check your crocheting tension. The swatch usually is flat, but in some of my patterns for certain purposes and materials, a 3D swatch works better for determining the correct gauge and tension. When you receive your pattern, it's important to follow the gauge information to make a swatch like this. When your swatch is complete, lay it flat so the bottom edge is straight, then measure it from side to side and top to bottom. It should be 9 centimeters across and 7.5 centimeters long. If your swatch turns out larger, make another one with a smaller hook until the size comes out correct. Vice versa, if your swatch is too small, use a larger hook. Once you've determined your correct hook size, use that hook throughout the project to make sure everything comes out the correct size. I highly recommend using a hobby yarn kit for this project. Using other materials might cause issues, making your reversible amigurumi difficult or impossible to flip inside out. Click the link in my bio to get a kit and be quick because stocks are limited.